guys, in today's video, we are going to change our display resolution and see how to fix our black border line issue. Now go to display setting and simply changes my resolution. Let's assume I change my resolution to 1280 x 1024. That is basically show me this. Okay. And I have to play PUBG Mobile. मुझे PUBG Mobile खेलना है और I have to play in iPad Go. So I have to use this resolution as my permanent resolution. So I select keep changes option. Then how to fix this black border line issue that is showing in my computer. Wait, if you can't see it, I give a picture of it to do it. Okay. Let's see this black border line. How to fix it? Just open your Windows setting and go to your app named Intel Graphic Card Command Center or NVIDIA Control Panel. On which device depends who uses NVIDIA, who uses Intel. In my personal device uses Intel, so I fixed the issue in Intel. Let's go. Simply go to the Intel option, Intel app, and go to the display setting. And after going to display setting, you see the option is scale. Simply click on it and simply click on the stretched option. And now you can see my whole display being stretched. I can easily I can easily enjoy my iPad view in this display without any problem. I can play PUBG Mobile or either game with this iPad view setting and it can't do any problem. Okay. Then hopefully you get your solution. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.